There we go, our room tour at the Mandarin Oriental Guangzhou. Here is our walk-in closet. And there we go, my most used room in the entire hotel is probably here, which is the bathroom. And they've got really nice marble top here, looking luxurious. So nice. And here is just the toilet. And then off we go to see the room itself, the bedroom. Wow, look at this little surprise. We've got this rose petal on the bed because it's September, our birthday month. And here is the little deco and stuff. And then here is the view of the room. Tall beadings here. And then here is the nice little couch that we have. And we even got a really cute birthday cake here. And some fruits. TV. And this corner is going to be my favorite as well because I'm such a coffee and tea drinker. I don't really drink water except Evian, tea and coffee. And look at how cute are these cups and teapots. So nice. And then let's go to see the bathroom and the bathtub. There we are. Really nice kind of retro yellow lighting here. And then here comes the shower room. Ta-da! And the rain shower, of course. And that's it.